Welcome to this ACES Centre presentation on the Unit of Competency Manage Market Research, BSBMKG607B. The elements for this subject are: prepare market research plans for implementation, engage external consultants or service providers, manage market research activity, and evaluate research processes and findings. The performance criteria for element 1 of the Unit of Competency is as follows: determine research policies and procedures, develop or commission and review a market research project plan and detailed work plans to point of finalization, and execute processes to obtain required resources to implement a market research project plan and work plans. The performance criteria for element 2 of this Unit of Competency is: identify requirements for external consultants from market research project plan, specify goods and services required to implement plans and detail criteria for selection, identify, evaluate and select potential consultants or other providers of required goods and services, contract selected consultants or providers of goods and services. The performance criteria for element 3 of this Unit of Competency is as follows: monitor work plan activity to ensure adherence to market research project plan and work plans and consistency with organizational market research policy and procedures, and manage external consultants or service providers to ensure performance is in line with expectations and contractual requirements. The performance criteria for element 4 of this Unit of Competency is: confirm validity of information and data obtained by market research, review relevance and usefulness of findings against research objectives outlined in market research project plan, assess performance of project against all relevant elements of market research project plan and work plans, measure stakeholder satisfaction with research process and findings, prepare reports on future improvements to research process, implement revised policy and practice in accordance with organizational requirements. The required knowledge for this Unit of Competency is as follows: principles and practices of market research, including data processing methods and data analysis techniques, project design to meet given budgets and other resource constraints, qualitative and quantitative research, design of samples, development and application of hypotheses, role of research in enterprise development, and use of survey instruments. Further required knowledge includes project management principles and practices, including for consultation and stakeholder involvement, development of policies and procedures, methods of action to ensure performance, monitoring of timelines, budgets and other implementation plans, organizational procedures for engagement of consultants. Also, it is required to know key provisions of relevant legislation from all forms of government, codes of practice, and national standards that may affect aspects of business operations, such as confidentiality requirements, copyright laws, defamation laws, privacy laws, sweepstakes regulations, and trades practices acts. Economic, social and industry directions, trends and practices, organizational structures, roles, responsibilities and policies, industries, products and service knowledge is also required. The required skills for this Unit of Competency are as follows: communication and interpersonal skills to establish rapid and built relationships with clients and external contractors and to liaise with stakeholders, creativity and innovation skills to design market research project plan, information management skills to collate and extract relevant findings from information collected, management skills to monitor work plans, problem-solving skills to deal with complex planning and implementation, leadership and teamwork skills to manage others within the organization and external contractors conducting market research activity.